It is a split session across global markets, and the divergence tells an important story. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete Forex market briefing for August 8th. Currency markets are being driven by a complex mix of central bank policy, geopolitical risk, and shifting growth expectations. Let us break it all down. Here is a snapshot of how the major currency pairs are trading today. Euro to US dollar is trading at 1.16, gaining 0.04% on the session. The world's most traded pair is driven by ECB versus Fed rate differentials. Currency markets are reacting to stock market today. Dow opens higher after job data misses forecasts. WTI oil price at $77. Eurasia Business News. Pound sterling to US dollar is trading at 1.35, gaining 0.17% on the session. Sterling is highly sensitive to UK inflation data and Bank of England rate guidance. Currency markets are reacting to US widens Iran crypto crackdown with sanctions on 2 exchanges. US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 157.75, gaining 0.09% on the session. Dollar yen tracks the US-Japan rate differential and Bank of Japan intervention risk. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. USD SGD is trading at 0.7792, gaining 0% on the session. The Singapore dollar reflects Asian FX sentiment, trade flows, and MAS monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that gold steadies as oil slump cools inflation pressure. Equities rally, Kitco PM report, Kitco. Australian dollar to US dollar is trading at 0.7071, gaining 0.19% on the session. The Aussie dollar closely tracks commodity prices, especially iron ore, and Chinese growth signals. Currency markets are reacting to stock market today. Dow opens higher after job data misses forecasts. WTI oil price at $77. Eurasia Business News. US dollar to Chinese yuan is trading at 0.1484, gaining 0.19% on the session. The onshore yuan reflects PBOC daily fixings, US-China trade dynamics, and capital flow controls. Currency markets are reacting to US widens Iran crypto crackdown with sanctions on 2 exchanges. US dollar to Indian rupee is trading at 95.20, gaining 0.13% on the session. The Indian rupee tracks RBI monetary policy, FII and FPI capital flows, and US-India interest rate differentials. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us look at the macro forces behind today's currency moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that oil price today. Brent rises 1% as Middle East conflict continues. Hormuz shipping disruption, the Times of India. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower on tech weakness but recover after hours on strong Micron earnings. Moo, Avgo, Google in focus. StockTwits. Currency markets are reacting to stock market today. Dow opens higher after job data misses forecasts. WTI oil price at $77. Eurasia Business News. Currency markets are reacting to US widens Iran crypto crackdown with sanctions on 2 exchanges. Our near-term view on Australian dollar to US dollar. With Australian dollar to US dollar moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $0.7248 level above and $0.6894 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Currency markets can move fast and unexpectedly. Central bank surprises, geopolitical shocks, and data prints are the key risks to monitor. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your Forex briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily currency coverage.